Yes, see children, so we have completed the lesson, the very interesting lesson to decide the person is good and honesty, how the king used seed, right? Yes, now let's see the question answers from this lesson, how much we understood the lesson, okay? Now see this one, it's a time to answer, yes, we know na, time to answer, we have question answers. What is the first question? Who did the princess want to marry? Who did the princess want to marry? The princess wanted to marry kind and honest man. The princess wanted to marry kind and honest man. Did you understand? Who did the princess want to marry? The princess wanted to marry kind and honest man. Clear? See the second question. What did the king decide to do the next day? What did the king decide to do the next day? What did he try to do? The next day, the king decided to hold a competition between every young man in the kingdom. Next day, the king decided to hold a competition. The king decided to hold a competition between every young man in the kingdom. Between every man in the kingdom. Right? Understood this one? See the third one. What was the competition the king held for the young man in the kingdom? What was the competition? Yes, what is that? The king gave each young man one beautiful flower seed and asked them to take care and bring back fully grown flower after 6 months. After next 6 months. So what was the competition? The king gave each young man one beautiful flower seed and asked them to take care and bring back fully grown beautiful flower after next 6 months. Fully grown flower after next 6 months. So that is the competition he did, right? And see the next one. What did the king suddenly notice? What did the king suddenly notice? So what did he notice? Yes, suddenly the king noticed a young man who was carrying an empty pot. Suddenly the king noticed a young man who was carrying an empty pot. So that he noticed suddenly, right? And see the next question. What was the name of the young man whose seeds did not grow? What was the name of the young man whose seeds did not grow? What is his name? You know na? Tell me. Yes, very good. Daniel was the name of the young man whose seeds did not grow. Daniel was the name of the young man whose seeds did not grow. Right. And see the next one. How did the king prove dishonest nature of other young men? How did the king prove dishonest nature? Dishonest means disobedience. So dishonest nature of other young men. So how did he prove? The king actually gave dead seeds to the all young men. So the king actually gave dead seeds to the young man all the other young men tried to cheat the king by showing him fully grown flowers, but Daniel brought the empty pot. So, remaining all the people they substituted, na? Yes. So, all the other young men tried to cheat the king by showing him fully grown flowers, but Daniel brought the empty pot. This way, the king proved the dishonest nature of other young man. Dishonest nature of other young man. Clear? And see the next question. Did Daniel grow crops from his seeds? Did Daniel grow crops from his seeds? Did he get it? No. So, no. Simply answer we can write no. And then, who did the princess marry? Who did the princess marry? The princess married Daniel. The princess married Daniel. Clear this, children? So, these are the question answers. Let's learn this one again. See, children, so the next we have fill in the blanks using clue kit. So, what is the clue kit? Here we have Daniel, flower seeds, competition, honest and daughter. So, only 5 sentences, 5 words clue kit they have given. So, now see the first one. The king had only one dash. The king had only one, yes, who is that? Yes, the king had only one daughter. So, the king had only one daughter. So, that we should write the answer here. See the second one. The princess wanted to marry dash man. The princess wanted to marry what kind of man? Very good. Honest man. The princess wanted to marry honest man. Right. See the third one. The king decided to hold a dash. Yes, to find the honest man, what did he decide? To hold a competition. To hold a competition that he decided to conduct, right? And next one, the king gave the young man some. So, for the competition, what did he give to them? Yes, he gave some flower seeds. Yes, this answer. He gave some flower seeds. Flower seeds. Right. Next one. See the next answer. So, next one. The princess married dash. To whom did she marry last? Yes, she married Daniel. The princess married Daniel. Right. So, clear this one. So, from the clue kit here, but all these sentences from the lesson, right? That we should learn it. Clear this one? Good. So, the next one. See children, so now vocabulary. Yes, you know the vocabulary. That's time to learn new words. So, time to know new words. Whatever the new words in this lesson that we can learn here. Already all you know this. Once again you can see the meanings. What is that? First one, competition. Don't worry about this meaning. Competition we know the meaning, but here in the words if we read this big one we get it. Okay. So, okay, examination point of view we should learn. So, see this one. Competition means what? An event or contest. An event or contest in which people take part in order to establish superiority or supremacy in a particular area. So, in any particular area means not a place here, particular field, particular talent. So, in which you are very much talent to find it. In that how much we are. Yes, if we conduct a quiz competition in the class. So, some people first place, second place, third place we are giving. Na? That means only in that means there on that day we heard a lesson very clearly and we learn it, easily we can give the answers, right? So like that, competition means here an event or contest in which people take part. In which people take part in order to establish superiority or supremacy. Superiority, supremacy means first, second, like that we give the grades now. So good in the first position, like this in a particular area. Okay, and see the second one, messengers. Now all of you know messenger, right? But this messengers means persons who carry messages. Persons who carry that people are called messengers. Okay, who carry messages. And next one is proclaiming. Proclaiming means it's announce officially or publicly. Announce officially or publicly. So in the area they announce it very publicly. Yes, this is going on, this competition is going on, like that they announce to everyone. That is proclaiming, we call it. And precious. Some people they say precious and like this, but correct one, precious we can call it. Precious means valuable. So precious, you are very precious child to your parents. That means you are very valuable children to your parents. So precious means it's a valuable. And next one, exotic. Exotic means originating in or characteristic of a distant foreign country. So exotic means far away countries or foreign countries or far away places from that. If it belong to that places, that we call it exotic here. So originating in or characteristic of a distant foreign country. Last one, approach. Approach means come near or nearer to. So if we approach to other person means we are going near to them. Okay. So this is the vocabulary part. Yes, see children. So next one we have complete the following words. To spell well. To spell well means missing letters. So the first letter they missed. The first letter already they have given here. So simply we should choose it from here. Already previous lessons we have done. We know this one. Very simple one it is. So let's start now all these words from the lesson only. Right. So now say this one. Yes. Dash M-P-E-T-I-T-I-O-N. What is this? Yes, it is competition. This is competition. Competition spelling. Yes, repeat it again all of you. C-O-M-P-E-T-I-T-I-O-N. Competition. Right. And see the second one. Dash E-S-S-E-N-G-E-R-S. Who are here to pass the message? Very good. Messengers. So, to pass the message, those are called messengers. So then we can take it messengers. M-E-S-S-E-N-G-E-R-S. Messengers. Okay ma. Next, see the third one. Dash R-O-C-L-A-I-M-I-N-G. Yes, what do we have word related to this? Proclaiming. P-R-O-C-L-A-I-M-I-N-G. What is that? Repeat the spelling. P-R-O-C-L-A-I-M-I-N-G. Proclaiming. Okay. And see the fourth one. Dash R-E-C-I-O-U-S. Yes. What do we have? Precious. P-R-E-C-I-O-U-S. Be careful with the spelling. Repeat, learn it properly. P-R-E-C-I-O-U-S. P-R-E-C-I-O-U-S. Precious. And see the next one. Dash X-O-T-I-C. Dash X-O-T-I-C. So what kind of flowers those are? Exotic. E-X-O-T-I-C. Exotic. E-X-O-T-I-C. T-I-C, exotic. And see the sixth one, dash, P-P-R-O-A-C-H. Yes, you got the answer. What is this? Approach. A-P-P-R-O-A-C-H. A-P-P-R-O-A-C-H. Approach. Okay. And see the next one, dash, A-R-R-Y. Dash, A-R-R-Y. What is that? Yes, the princess want to marry. Carry also correct, but from the lesson and here they have given means we should write marry. M-A-R-R-Y, marry. And next eighth one, dash, E-E-D. Yes, the king gave seeds. So, S-E-E-D, seeds. S-E-E-D, seed. Next one, dash, A-T-H-E-R. King is father of princess, right? So, father. F-A-T-H-E-R. And last one, dash, I-N-D. Dash, I-N-D. Yes, kind also correct. K-I-N-D. In the lesson also we have. But here they have given M means we should write. Yes, M-I-N-D, mind. M-I-N-D, mind. So, competition, messengers, proclaiming, precious, exotic, approach, marry, seed, father, mind. Clear? All these, did you get the pronunciation of these words to spell? Very good. So, let's see the next topic. See children, so next in this time to spell only, the next part we have write the opposite words for the following. So, very few and simple words they have given opposites, right? So, see the first one, father. Father opposite word, you know, tell me. Father, very good. Mother. Father opposite, mother. And next one, king. So, male person, king. And for that female person, what do we have? Queen. King, queen. And see the next one, princess. So, king's daughter, princess. But king's son is prince. So, that is opposite for this. Princess opposite, prince. And patient. Patient. For this we should write impatient. Patient opposite, impatient. And next one, honest. Honest opposite. Yes, dishonest. D-I-S-H-O-N-E-S-T. Dishonest. So opposite words, very simple. Father, mother. King, queen. Princess, prince. Patient, impatient. Honest, dishonest. Clear? So let's see the next topic. Yes, see children, so the next topic we have time to listen. Listen means we get rhyming words like this, right? Now here, your teacher. So here I am. Read out the rhyming words from the lesson. So from the lesson, whatever the rhyming words here we have, that I'll read out. So listen to them carefully and color the bricks which have words from the lesson with the same color. So here rhyming words are there. In these rhyming words, which word is from the lesson? So for all those words, you should give the same color. Okay. Now see this one, carry, marry. Both are rhyming words ending same, right? So carry, marry. Both are rhyming words. But which word we got it from the lesson? Very good. Marry. So give one color for this. So take one color. So color it. And the next one, seed, weed. Seed, weed. Very good. Good answer. What is that? Yes, the king used seed. So that's why seed. So whatever the color you gave for marry, the same color you give it here. Seed, weed. And next one, wait, wait. Both are same, but wait, wait. So which one is used here? Yes, the king said, let's wait and see, right? So then here this wait they gave, the same color you give it. And next one, father, mother. Father, mother. Who is there here in this lesson? Very good. Father. King is the father of princess. So, next one. Kind, mind. Kind, mind. Which word do we have? Kind. The person should be kind and honest, right? So, kind. So, these five words give same color. What are those? Marry, seed, wait, father and kind. All these 5 boxes fill up with same color only. Good, clear? Very good. So, let's see the next topic. Yes, see children, so now this topic we are going to learn the grammar topic, that is present tense. So, can you remember this present tense? And previous classes you have completed the grammar, parts of speech, noun, pronoun, verb, like this we have completed now. So, you know this. So, that verb, how we use it in the tenses. So, for that first we can write it in the present tense, simple present tense. I am introducing now new grammar topic, simple present tense. So, what is this simple present tense? So, in the parts of speech you know verb, right? So, that verb we can write V1, verb means V, short form we take it. V1, V2, V3, like that we have. In the tenses we use those V1, V2, V3. So, one by one I will introduce you. So, see this one, simple present. What is this simple present? Already you are using this, but simple present means what? That we should learn now. Okay. So, simple present means which are the actions using regularly. Regular actions, daily whatever the works we are doing, those we write in the simple present tense. And one more is which never change, universal truths. So, facts never change, those also we write in the simple present tense. So, which are the actions we do? Actions means work, daily, regular works, that we write in the simple present tense. And which never change, the works or anything never change, universal truths. So, facts, those also we write in simple present, that is always, which are always true. Those are called universal truths or facts. Okay, suppose one example here, we go to school daily. We go to school daily. And one more is the sun shines by day. The sun shines by day. So, these two sentences they have given. So, see this here, what is the verb here? We go to school daily. So, daily it is going on. So, of course, whenever we have holidays, that is different. Generally, daily do we go to school or not? Yes, that is the simple present tense. In this simple present tense, the verb is called V1. Simple present tense, we use V1, first form of the verb. V1 means first form of the verb. Verb has 3 forms, V1, V2, V3, like that. So, 4 forms, present participle also, but mainly 3. V1 present form, V2 past form, V3 past participle, V4 present participle also we have. So, now this verb first form, that's why V1 we call it. And the sun shines. So, does it change any time? By day. Daytime, always daytime it shines, right? So, any change in this? No. That's why this is also universal fact. That's why simple present tense we write. So, this here if you see V1 plus S, SRES based on the spelling we get. So, shines. So, for the V1 SRES. So, here we used the V1 but here V1 SRES we are telling. But both are simple present. Listen carefully. Both are simple present. Simple present tense we should write verb either V1 form or V1 SRES form. Where do we use V1 form? Where do we use V1 SRES form? Yes, for that we should learn the subject. We should learn the subject. So what are those subjects? Suppose if this, yes, this is called subject na. Suppose if the subject is plural, what are those subject plural forms? Plural forms are singular I also we take it. What are those? I, we, you. Subjects are plural. I, we, you and they. I, we, you and they. If we get any of these subjects, we should write V1. Okay. In the simple present tense, if the subject is plural, what is that plural words? I, we, you, they. Any of these words if we get it, in the simple present tense we write V1 form. In the simple present tense we must write V1 form. Got it? Clear this one? Then when can we write V1 SRES? Yes, if the subject is singular. If the subject is singular. So what are the singular subjects here? Yes, singular subjects. He, she, it. He, she, it. These subjects if we get it, then we should write it V1 S or ES. For the V1 form, we should add either S or ES based on the spelling. Why based on the spelling means, suppose shine if we take it. Shine, S-H-I-N-E, shine word is there. So, for that singular subject means what can we write? Shines. Then we have added S only, right? Suppose go is there, we go is there. That's why V1 only we have written. He if we replace here, he means what we should write? So, he means it is the singular. Then we should write V1 S or ES. So, what is the V1? Go. What is the S or ES form for this? Yes, very good. Goes. Goes spelling is ES. ES, right? So, for some words S only will add and for some verbs ES will add. According to that we should write it. Clear this one? Now, if the subject is plural, what are the plural subjects? I, we, you, they. I, we, you, they. Then we should write it V1 form of the verb. And subject is singular. What are those singulars? He, she, it. If we get it, then we should write V1 S or ES. So, for the verb we should add S or ES. We should add this SRES only to the first form of the verb V1, not to the V2 or V3 or V4. Only to the first form of the verb. Clear this one? Understood this? Let's do some examples on this. Yes, see this one.